When is the best time to change my lawn to Zoysia? And this is Ronald from Memphis, Tennessee. So guess what, Ronald? We have our turf specialist right here, right? So when is the best time to change your lawn?
Best time is late spring, early summer, when it gets hot, because we have, Zoysia's a warm season grass.
Yeah.
So it grows best when it's hot. So that's the best time to lay it down.
All right. And he's also interested in wanting to plant El Toro. What do you think about that El Toro Zoysia?
El Toro's a good Zoysia. It's pretty tough. The texture is coarse. It establishes very quickly, and it produces a lot of low thatch. So you don't get a lot of thatch with El Toro.
Okay, so El Toro's a good
It's a good
Zoysia.
one.
So that'll be a good time, right? So late spring going into the summer. I would say this, I would caution folks to plant too late in the fall though, right? Because you want those grasses to get completely established before winter.
That's true.
Yeah.